Hello, good evening guys. Please welcome back to my channel. Watch my video guys, please welcome back to my channel, Beauty Lupis. Please come and watch my video, friends in YT. And mega love shout out to my team Sumbi and uh, all those very supportive friends, nice, pretty, beautiful, handsome, and most of all, our beloved chairman, Sir Meron Ventura. Please come and watch my video, guys. Listen my song. Thank you. Baby, frozen tears. It was hard through the years. I'll never give up. Never one of my dreams. And deep inside is my love still alive. And God only knows that I can't let you go. When I'm in love, it would be for better. I give you my heart forever and ever. No arms can ever hold you more than I do. No man can ever love you, no, it's true. No arms can never hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, girl, it's true. If I ever lose your love, if I ever lose your heart, oh baby, I'm dying for your love. Oh yeah. Big love shout out. Baby, now I'm alone and I try to be strong, but my baby, I cried silent tears without crying, and I can't hold on to the feeling that's gone, and there's nothing to lose, 'cause I'm playing a fool. When I'm in love, it will be for better. I give you my heart forever and ever. No arms can never hold you more than I do. No man can never love you, baby, it's true. No arms can never hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, girl, it's true. If I ever lose your love, if I ever lose your heart, baby, I'm dying for your love. And if I ever lose your smile, if I ever lose your heart, everybody needs someone to love, I say. No arms can never hold you more than I do. No man can never love you, girl, it's true. No arms can never hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, it is true. More please stay, thank you. Try natin ito guys, try. Gotta catch the plane at 7:30. Why haven't you come to say goodbye? Time is running out, I'm still waiting. I'm so lost without you, I could die. Yesterday you said you loved me, everything seems to be fine. Today you're not I know I won't make it without you. If you're not here by my side, only your love keeps me alive. No sense in dreaming, my life was no meaning. If you're not here, oh yeah. First time to sing, guys. Pasensya na. Big alam shout out, all friends. All really supportive friends. I need your tender kisses, the feel of your hands you caress. Your perfume must be burning, my heart yearning to touch you. I miss you so much. If you're not here by my side, can hold back tears I try to hide. Don't think I can take it, I know I won't make it without you. If you're not by my side, only your love keeps me alive. No sense in dreaming, my life was no meaning. If you're not here, oh yeah. Thank you guys. Isa pa please, one more. Pasensya na, tayo naman tayo. If tomorrow never comes, guys. Nga tayo. If tomorrow never comes, we are become nga. Oh, paano na kung ang bukas ay hindi na darating, guys? Sometimes late at night, I lie awake and watch her sleeping. She's lost in peaceful dreams, so I turn out the lights and lay there in the dark. And a thought crosses my mind: if I never wake up in the morning, won't she ever doubt the way I feel about him in my heart? If tomorrow never comes, well, he know how much I love him. Did I try in every way to show him every day that he's my only one? And in my time on earth we're through, and he must face this world without me. Is the love I give him in the past gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes? 'Cause I lost loved ones in my life, oh, never knew how much I loved him. Now I live without regret that my true feelings for him never will rebuild. So I promised to myself to say each day how much he means to me, and avoid that circumstance where there's no second chance to tell him how I feel. If tomorrow never comes, will he know how much I love him? that you love, that's what you're thinking of. If tomorrow never comes. Thank you guys for watching. Please stay connected. Love you all. Bye-bye.